about everything with Marty. Hey guys, just want to bring this up. This is awesome. Hang on one sec here. We're going to turn this down. Yeah, we're going to bring this one back. All right, guys. This is pretty cool because it's like a video of, I don't know where it is. I don't know. Let's see if I can find out where it is. Cool. This is in New York City subway. Check this out.
Yeah.
I don't know, for kids to be looking at this, is that okay?
No, it's not. It's wrong.
This is propaganda.
Yeah.
This is
Normalizing.
It's affecting
Yeah.
the next generation.
Yeah.
I don't know why no one sees this.
No.
This is disgusting.
Because TV told them not to get upset and wear the mask. We're going over there. Let's go to the back. I mean, serious. We're in the worst, actually.
There's one over here. It's like
Look at that.
It's like a three-way.
That's pretty good. Look at this one. Romantic. Look at this, everyone. Nicely done, Dave. Nicely done.
Divide and conquer. That's what the Chinese want. They're trying to divide and conquer us. The government is against us, and you guys don't see it. You guys think that you took a vaccine and this is going to go away? It's never going to go away. So we, the people, say we don't want this anymore.
Thank you.
That's what I'm talking about. There we go. We got a reaction. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.